Hello, is part 3. I have to do it, the black was on, but it was too big. It's touching the red, and now the red is off, so I think I have to take it all off. The black wire need to be off, and then I have to do it from the side somewhere, somehow. But I have to take this black off. Now it's off. I think I will I really don't know what to do really, but I think I have to go from the side. Because I can try to put the red on, but it was something you need to put a bit soldering on the wire before. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Now I got a bit on the red, a bit, I don't know what you call this, tin, soldering tin. But there's no name. Okay, but it doesn't matter, it's more important I do this, because I feel I'm destroying my drone now, and this wire is stupid. So I'll try to put the red from the side. Wow, it was hot. I think I was lucky. Got the red. I got it from the side, and it's not touching this one. So the red is okay, and I think I need to go from the side, and I will try that. See how I do it best. I think I'll do it was quite a bad soldering. But now it was too big, it touching something, but now they're not touching each other. So the red is here and the black. So maybe I should go and get the battery and see if it's working. My transmitter, I think I was lucky. So I think I will calibrate the transmitter and then connect the battery, and I hope it will work. If not, I have to put it in a shop or use it as spare part. So let's try plug the battery in. Oh, the throttle needs to be down, and I hope we got some light. Can we see? No, it's my arm. I don't know how we can do it. So, but it doesn't matter. Oh, I think we are lucky. I think it's working. Yes, but I think I was lucky. But I will take the battery out. So I think I was lucky this time, because I took it from this way, from the side, and they are not touching. So now I will try to put the wire back inside here. I see they use a screwdriver, so I will take a flathead on the screwdriver, and I will try to get it back here. But I should maybe okay, you have to use somehow a screwdriver, put it back inside here, but I will not damage. I think maybe I should start to assemble it. I have the two small screws here. I will unplug the soldering tool so I not burn myself. And I have recorded 10 minutes. I know it's long, but it's very hard for me. And I will need to change this again. I think I will. I don't know how to put it out. think I will put the screws back, and I lost the screw. This must not happen. Oh, that was stupid. Okay, I have one more screw here. I lost the screw. I have to look for it somehow, somewhere. This is not the screw. I have to look. That was stupid. But I will try to put it back. But I have my Hubsan 108. But I will not take the screws. I can take one screw from there. But got this back. But now I will go and take one screw from my Hubsan, and I will go look for it. Is somewhere here. But I will take it from the other drawer. So I have this Hubsan here, and I will borrow some screw, but I think it can fly even if it's missing. But I need a motor. This one I damaged after flight number 11. So, but I think it can fly. I need to solder here too. One motor. So, but let's try to fix the 107. But maybe the screw is inside. I don't think so. Well, I just put it together if I can. So small. I should have a screw. Now this screw is gone too. It was inside. I should have a magnetic. I cannot say. A screwdriver with magnetism. But look, I got it in. So. But still need to put this back. The wire needs to go back in here. But I will change to a flathead. Oh, I'm dropping everything now. So I have nobody to, I don't know anybody to help me. So, but it's not a very expensive drone, so I will just have to buy a new. But I have to learn this. So I'll try to put the wire back in here. Got some of it back. So I think I do it with my nails a bit. But we got it a bit in. And I need to do that with all four. This is inside. So but this is the only way to learn it. So this one is to the LED lights, I think. But it looks like we got it back a bit. It's maybe not right, but I should be careful not to damage the wire. And then the last one. So, and let's put the last one back. But someone in China, they do this every day. It's maybe I think they use young women. Young women that have small fingers. They're better to do this. I think they use young women in a factory to $1 hour. But now I got the wire back, and I will try to put it together. I have to stop at 21 minutes because I will not do this in 2 parts. Oh, I'm so bad to this. Oh no. It's even hard for me to put it in. It should be so simple. But I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Okay, I think I have to stop record. I need to focus on this.